What's up, people? My name is Tim Shepard. I am the Recreation Director at Paki Community Park in Honolulu, Hawaii. And today's activity will be a Vikings beard made out of yarn, just in time for Halloween, okay? So a couple things you will need for this activity. You will need yarn of any color that you choose. It can be multiple colors or a single color, it doesn't matter. You will need ribbon, okay? You will need one pair of scissors, preferably child-sized scissors, but use whatever you have, okay? You may need some tape. Any tape will do, doesn't matter. I just have to have this on hand. Also, a yardstick or a ruler would be helpful. Either one works. It is fine. If you don't have either one, you will just guesstimate the size of your beard, which we'll get to later for this activity. But before we get started, I have some parent notes or reminders for the parents is that you want to be aware of safety issues with scissors, okay? Be careful, don't run with them, hold them properly, make sure they're not playing with them. Let the kids choose the colors, okay? Let them have fun with it, let them choose the colors. Any color is fine with the beards. For the steps, there are steps I'm gonna go through, but there is more than one way to do it. So if you guys find a way as you're going through, it's easier, works better for you guys, go for it, that is fine, okay? Have your kids participate as much as possible. Once we get to the knotting, it is kind of monotonous a little bit, but try to make it fun as much as possible for the kids. And also, lastly, mistakes will happen. It is fine. You may have short yarn or miss a knot or do something crazy with it. That is fine. Just have fun with it, and you should be good to go. All right, so this is a sample of one of my beards with regular thin yarn. I'll demonstrate what it would look like on my face. It's gonna look like this. Got a little space for my mouth, okay? And I got a nice little old man's Viking beard right here. All right, looks good. My other sample one is a little bit thicker. It's going a little Rastafari on it. And it's a little bit more thicker beard that you can just have fun with. Okay, first things first, you want to set up your area, get all your supplies together. Then once you have all that, you want to determine the length of your beard. Okay, it could be any size that you want. To me, longer the better. Okay, you can use a yardstick, you can use a regular ruler. It doesn't really matter, or you can just have your tape on the table and use that as your length. To determine your length, you want to take a sample string, fold it in half, okay? Turn it over, loop side up top. This will be the length of your beard, okay, right here, okay? So for kids, you might want to make it smaller, okay? Or you can go as small as you want, even this way, okay? But this will determine the length of your beard, okay? All right, so all my beard is gonna be this length right here, okay? All right, so next step, you have your length, okay? Next thing, get your colored yarn, and you can measure it up against the yardstick, okay? Or if you don't have a yardstick, tape on the table, doesn't really matter. And when you cut, it doesn't have to be the exact size, okay? You just want to generally cut the yarn, okay? And as you're cutting through, okay, again, does not have to be perfect, okay? Does not have to be a perfect cut, okay? So you want to cut about 60 of these pieces right here, about 60, okay? So I have cut that amount right here already, okay? Different sizes, but I've cut my 60 pieces right here, okay? I also have blue, so I'm going to mix mine up a little bit, okay? After you have cut your yarn, okay, put that to the sides so it doesn't get all messed up. Now you're going to cut your ribbon. Your first piece, you want to cut at least 3 feet long, okay? This is the piece that will go around your head, okay? So however big your head is, that's how you want it, and a little bit more, okay? All right, so it may not be 3 feet, but 3 feet's a good number to start with, okay? So cut that piece. The next piece will be a smaller piece. That will be about 7 to 10 inch long piece, okay? So cut that out, all right? And I'll tell you where that goes after, okay? All right, so the next thing is move your ruler out the way. You're going to, take your ribbon, okay? Lay it out on the table. There's a few ways to do this, but this seems to work better for me. You're gonna tape the ribbon to the table, okay? You can also tie it on 2 objects and let it hang, whichever is easier for you. But this way, for me, it helped with the knotting, made it a lot easier, okay? All right, pay attention on this one. The knots, okay? So you have your full piece, okay? Bend it in half, fold it in half, okay? Doesn't have to be even at the bottom. You want to pinch a loop to the top here, okay? Find your ribbon, put it underneath the ribbon, okay? Or you can go over the ribbon, it doesn't really matter. But I like to go underneath, okay? And just leave it there. Now the next step is you are going to take your bottom piece over the ribbon, loop it through the top of the yarn and pull, okay? So right now you have something that looks like this, okay? This knot down here, okay? So as you're pulling, okay, it pulls itself, all right? And then lay it down, okay? The next piece, same way, pinch for the loop, go underneath, take the bottom end and loop through the loop and pull, okay? And lay down. We'll do one more. Fold in half, pinch the loop, underneath your ribbon on the table, take your end, push through the loop, and pull, okay? It's okay if it's loose because you're gonna tighten those up all later, okay? This is only 3. Now you wanna do 47 more, okay? That number can be changed depending on the size of your kid or your face, okay? But right now we're gonna do 50, okay? Now, in the end, this is what it's gonna look like, okay? You got all your pieces scrunched together and spread out. You wanna tighten them, okay? You wanna tighten the string as much as possible, and then you're gonna bunch it all together, okay? Bunch it all together, okay? All right, most importantly, okay, let me show you this. As I flip it over, you want all the knots going in the same direction, All right, you notice all the loops of the knots are all on the same side. Okay. It is not necessary, but makes it a lot neater. And if you flip on the other side, same thing. All the knots are the same on the other side. Okay? All right. Okay, next step. Okay? And as you're going through this, periodically just test it on your face. Okay? You may not need 50. All right? You may need 40. But just test it. It should go ear to ear. Okay? All right, next step. Okay? Pay attention to this one. This ribbon. Okay? All right. So you've done 50 knots right here. Okay? Scrunch them all together. You're going to count 10 from the ends and 10 from this end. Okay? So when you count 10, you're going to open up some space with your yarn. You're going to count 10 from this side, open up some space with your yarn. Okay? And I'll show you on this one already done. Okay? All right, so I made some space here. Okay, so I scrunch all this to the side. Okay? And I'll do the same on this side. Okay, so I have my space. Okay. In this space, this is where you're going to tie your ribbon. Any old way will work. You got big fingers like mine, it's kind of hard. Okay. Just tie it any old way, and then tie the other end down here, like you see here. Okay. And then from there, you're going to get your yarn again, pinch your loop, and you're going to do the exact same thing through your loop and tie it all together all the way across, just like you see here, all the way across. Okay? Make sure they're all going in the same direction. Okay? Once you're all done, scrooge them all together. Okay? One side should look like this, where you have a little loop here on the inside. This will be the inside of the beard. This is what goes on your face. Okay? If I turn it around, this is the outside of the beard, and you don't see the loop. Okay? All right, so once you have all that done, tighten any pieces of your yarn, double check the sizes, and you should be good to go. Make sure all the yarn is facing the right direction. All right. Double check any knots, anything. Okay. And one thing you notice at the bottom is that they're all different lengths, and that is okay, because beards sometimes grow crooked. So you can leave it like this, okay? You can leave your beard like this. There's a few ways to wear it. You can chop it, cut it straight across, okay? Right across, and have a straight beard. You can have an angled beard, okay? All right? So you can trim this beard however you want, okay? Also, if you know how to braid, I won't go over that, you can braid these certain sections and have braids come down your beard too, okay? All right, so you can get as creative as you want with the braids, different lengths, different sizes, okay? But you can also have that pirate look and do braiding right down the beard, okay? All right, so to wear this, okay, again, this is the outside, this is the inside, okay? This goes across your face, above your ears. You want to tie it on your head. I'll just hold it, okay? The inside part here, that loop, you want to put above or below your lip. Okay, so you have some area to talk. Okay, and now that is your Vikings beard from Pocky Community Park. Thank you.